They only need you when there's no one. Only get silence and ignorance. The effort is one-sided. They want to be above you. This friendship is not for you. Cold. It's self-respect. Have you ever had a friend who made you feel guilty, drained or small, but you couldn't ask yourself or explain yourself why? You always tell yourself they care about you, but somehow you walk away from them feeling worse about yourself. If that sounds familiar, you might be in a toxic friendship. In this video, I'll share 7 signs your friendship might not be as healthy as you think and how to deal it. The last sign will change your whole perspective about friendship. So don't miss it out. Hello everyone and namaste. I'm Nidhi. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new episode of Heart to Heart Real Talk series. In this series, I'm going to talk about friendship, relationship advice, lessons, how to protect your peace and what not. And if that's your vibe, please hit the like button. So let's get into the video. So the first sign of a toxic friendship is they reach out only when they need something. Have you ever noticed they only reach out to you or call you when they need you, when they need any kind of favor, when they need an emotional support, when there is no one in their life, they need you at that time. So don't you ever think you're a priority. They only need you when there's no one. And have you ever noticed the effort, the positivity, or the time you give, the advice you give is always one-sided, and that one-sided is always from your side, and in return you get nothing until they need you. You only get silence and ignorance. सो तपाईलाई चाहिरहेको बेलामा चाहिँ उनीहरू अभाइलेबल हुँदैनन्. तपाईले जति पनि कल गर्नुहोस्, मेसेज गर्नुहोस्, उनीहरूले तपाईलाई इग्नोर बाहेक अरू केही गर्दैनन्. तर तिनीहरूलाई चाहेको बेलामा चाहिँ तिनीहरूले जसरी भए पनि तपाईसँग रिच आउट गर्छन्. सो त्यो टक्सिसिटी हो, त्यो टक्सिक फ्रेन्डशिप हो. तपाईको फ्रेन्डशिपले तपाईलाई यस्तो फिल कहिले गराउन सक्दैन. सो यदि तपाईले यो फिल गर्दै हुनुहुन्छ भने you might be in a toxic friendship. Sign number 2, they make jokes that got deep. It means your real friends would not make fun of yours in front of other people. They will not insult you. So toxic friendship मा के हुन्छ, toxic मान्छेसँग के प्रब्लम हुन्छ, तिनीहरूले चाहिँ तपाईलाई ह्युमिलेट गर्न, तपाईलाई डाउनग्रेडेड फिल गराउन, तपाईलाई नराम्रो फिल गराउन चाहिँ जोक्सको सहारा लिएको हुन्छन्. जोक्सको अन्डरमा तपाईलाई नराम्रो भन्छन्. अनि इफ यु गेट अफेन्डेड अर इफ यु फिल ब्याड अबाउट इट एन्ड तपाईँले यदि भन्नुहुन्छ त्यसको बारेमा, देन दे विल बी लाइक, चिल ब्रो, आई वाज जस्ट जोकिङ. I mean, why would you joke like that? So think about. Sign number 3, you feel drained after spending time with them. Healthy relationships and healthy friendships will lift you up, will not make you anxious or drained about spending time with them. So यदि तपाईले त्यो मान्छेसँग टाइम स्पेन्ड गरिराख्नु भएको छ एन्ड त्यो टाइम स्पेन्ड गरेर आउनुहुन्छ एन्ड देन आफ्टर यु फिल एङ्सियस or feel drained, तपाईले चाहिँ राम्रो फिलै भएको छैन, नो पोजिटिभिटी एट अल भने त्यो फिलिङलाई ध्यान दिनु होला. इट माइट बी अ रेड फ्ल्याग फर योर फ्रेन्डसिप. यो टक्सिसिटी हो. तपाईले त्यो मान्छेसँग स्पेन्ड गरेर आउँदाखेरि तपाईलाई राम्रो फिल हुनुपर्छ. त्यो मान्छेसँग बसेर त्यो मान्छेसँग टाइम स्पेन्ड गर्दाखेरि उसले तपाईलाई चाहिँ उल्टै कुनै चेपाइते आर्ग्युमेन्टमा, कुनै चेपाइते झगडामा, कुनै कुरै नभएको कुरामा इस्यु निकालेर यदि त्यो टाइमलाई चाहिँ एकदमै एङ्सियस बनाइदिन्छ, एकदमै रफ बनाइदिन्छ भने प्लिज बी केयरफुल एन्ड प्लिज बी अलर्ट. प्लिज गिभ एटेन्सन टु दिस फिलिङ. यु माइट बी इन अ toxic friendship. Sign number 4, they turn everything into a competition. If you tell your achievements to a real friend, they will be happy for your success. But to a toxic friend, it's a competition. They want to be above you. तपाईको टक्सिक फ्रेन्डशिपमा यदि तपाईले तपाईको एचिभमेन्ट्स, तपाईको सक्सेस तपाईले सेयर गर्नुभएको छ भने उसले चाहिँ तपाईभन्दा माथि पुग्न कोसिस गर्छ, तपाईलाई डाउन फिल गराउँछ, तपाईलाई भन्छ कि हे यति जाबो एचिभमेन्ट, यति जाबो सक्सेस भनेर. रियल फ्रेन्डले तपाईलाई त्यस्तो फिल गराउँदैन. दे विल बी ह्याप्पी मोर देन यु. Sign number 6, you feel bad about setting boundaries. Real friendship will understand you are setting a boundary or you are having your own space or your own time, but toxic friendship will make you feel bad about taking a decision for yourself. So till now you have figured it out who needs to be in your life and who needs to be kicked out. I hope you have understood what real friendship and what toxicity is. So last but not the least, sign number 7, that you try to make everything good or fix everything, but nothing changes, nothing works. This is where you need to understand that this friendship is not for you and your mental state. So when things get worse, you try to fix things with them. They try to act in front of you nice, but after all, everything is as it is. Nothing changes. So तपाईले चाहिँ फिक्स गर्न चाहनुहुन्छ, सल्ट आउन चाहनुहुन्छ, सर्ट आउट गर्न चाहनुहुन्छ, तर त्यतिखेर मात्र सर्ट आउट हुन्छ, त्यतिखेर मात्र मिठो बोली बोलिन्छ, तर भोलि गएर फेरि ब्याक टु नर्मल, फेरि ब्याक टु त्यही नै केस हुन्छ भने यहाँनिर यु निड टु अन्डरस्ट्यान्ड द्याट दिस फ्रेन्डसिप इज नट फर यु. You need to step back. Okay, so friendship brings you comfort, not confusion, and walking away from a toxic friendship is not being cold, it's self-respect. I self-respect myself, I self-respected myself, and I have taken a step back because I found one of these all of these signs actually in my friendship. So I have stepped out and stepped back, and I am mentally so feeling good, positive, and enthusiastic and motivated towards my life. So if you are feeling it and if you want to keep these friendships thinking that it will get good in future or I'll fix everything and we'll get back to normal, then you need to think about it. One of the main signs of a toxic friendship is manipulation. They can be friends with others, but you cannot be friends with others. They will manipulate you very brutally. So if you have ever recognized several of these signs, then you need to think about it. And if you have ever faced any toxic friendship, then please do let me know in the comment section and what are your thoughts. So I hope you like this. I'll keep posted this in future, and if you like this video, please do let me know in the comment section. And if you like this video, please do like, share, subscribe, and comment, and do not forget to press bell icon so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Bye.